A tweet from President Trump this morning has a lot of people scratching their heads tonight. In it, he appears to be accusing Amazon of not paying internet taxes, but then calls it fake news.
If you're confused about that tweet, you're not alone. We asked King 5's Heather Bosch to verify whether or not Amazon is dodging internet taxes.
The president is possibly implying that Amazon is dodging internet taxes, so we set out to verify the president's claim that the Seattle-based e-commerce giant is not paying those taxes. To do that, we consulted Adam Ozimek, a senior economist at Moody's Analytics, John Buell, who works for a Washington, D.C.-based think tank called the Tax Foundation, and Kim Rubin with the Urban Institute's State and Local Finance Initiative. As for Amazon not paying internet taxes, all three tell me no business is taxed for using the internet. Mr. Trump could have been saying Amazon is not collecting state sales taxes. That's been pretty contentious because states want that revenue. But the experts we spoke to, as well as Amazon's own website, say the company does collect taxes in the 45 states that have sales taxes. Buell says in the last few years, states have been more aggressive in trying to get Amazon, given its size in e-commerce, to collect sales taxes. Amazon does not collect sales taxes in states that don't have them: Alaska, Delaware, Oregon, Montana, and New Hampshire. Although Amazon itself notes some exceptions with items subject to local taxes in Delaware and Alaska. On its website, Amazon lists the 45 states it does collect sales tax from, as well as how that tax is calculated. And here's an example of a sales receipt from someone here in our newsroom. It's a book purchased for a recipient in Kentucky. Clearly marked on the receipt, $1.22 sales tax applied to the base cost. But that same King employee bought other products that did not have sales tax collected on them. For example, a box spring mattress cover bought for $22.99 had no sales tax applied. Now, our experts point out Amazon does a lot of business with third-party sellers and doesn't necessarily charge taxes for those other vendors. Amazon says sales tax information for those sellers can usually be found in the seller shipping and tax information section. So was the president right? Well, for the most part, no. Amazon is collecting sales tax on many purchases made in most states. But sales taxes aren't collected on every purchase, as the buying history of one of our employees shows.